What's up, guys? Claim here, back with another video. We're here at the IDRC West Coast Nationals 2018 alongside with the InstaFame car show. Decided to do this unboxing of the Sparco steering wheel that I just got for my Miata NA build. So I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what's inside. Yeah, so we got this cool horn button. And here's the steering wheel. Let's check it out. There's that Sparco steering wheel, guys. Looks pretty cool. Check out the center. It's pretty good. Soon it'll be on the Miata. Alright, if you guys haven't yet, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe at Firm400. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.